Hope you enjoy our summer sailing trip 2020. Even COVID couldn't stop us. Here we go, trying to get to Fisher's Island. We got a stowaway right there. There's no wind, so we have to motor. And we're trying to catch up to the Mayflowers in front of us. Way in front of that one sailboat is the Mayflower, way up there.
Mayflower.
I don't think we're gonna reach it.
No, I think we're gonna go through the race. We're going on the other side of the island.
Whoops. Nice calm day.
Right for the shore, right around the corner.
Is there a green port down there? Got 3 helicopters and they're kind of over the Mayflower. We've been chasing the Mayflower. Guess we couldn't catch up. Oh well. Almost a Fisher. Bye. Big buoy. You've got a big red buoy. Heading into Fisher's Island. West Harbor. Hello.
Hello, my face looks
Cheers from West Harbor, Fisher Island. And it's sunset, which you know is my favorite time.
My ears are going to be in the way.
We got it. But anyways, look at this anchorage. There's this boat right, where is it? Right there. And it has a dinghy garage. That freaking boat has a dinghy garage. Anyways, we're enjoying a beautiful night.
Yes, we are.
Oh, I forgot to take my drink. My chair.
Your chair? Sure.
My chair's drink. But anyway, is this not like just the most perfect spot? Look at this. Look at that. Watching sunset. Oh my goodness. Oh, we should check this anchorage out over here. Look at. We couldn't get a mooring. We couldn't get the mooring, so we had to anchor. But that's okay. I don't mind this view. Alright. We'll be in Newport tomorrow.
Hopefully.
Another cheers. See you guys later.
Ciao.
We had a great time at anchor on Fisher's Island. Even though they wouldn't allow us on the island because of COVID, some locals actually told us they would cut the dinghy loose if they didn't recognize it, which didn't make sense because then we would be stuck on the island. Are you having fun dodging sailboats?
Yeah. I'm a sailboater too, but I'm under power.
A few sailboats out here.
I think I hit a bee's nest.
We're in our element, but we are we're motorboat right now. Look at all the pretty sailboats. Hopefully we can get a dock. Bye. We made it to Newport and had so much fun meeting up with our friends for the next couple of days. Luckily, they let us use their shower because of COVID. Our marina's showers were closed.
Bigger fish?
Who wants to go fishing? Oh. When it comes to boats and restaurants, Newport does not disappoint. We enjoyed both. Leaving Newport. So pretty this morning. We half tank, half gas tank.
A little over, about 3/4.
Hopefully we can get to Martha's Vineyard. Hopefully we have wind and we can sail. Won't need the gas. Bye, Newport. We had a great time. Oh, look at this little boat. Look at this little boat.
You can see it. Oh, you're being a joker.
Yeah. Here's the port.
Middle of the ocean.
Because this was our first time sailing to Martha's Vineyard, our friends recommended that we rent a car. We watched kids jumping off Jaws Bridge, then we went for a hike up Menumsha Hill. Our last stop was to John Belushi's grave, that we later found out wasn't his real grave. We had a nice relaxing evening at Black Dog Marina before our long trip to Block Island in the morning. Bye, Martha's Vineyard.
Down to 4 knots soon.
You ready? 10 hours?
Yeah. Could be 12.
12 hours?
I don't know. Depends on this current. We're gonna fight.
Which way are you going to go?
I'm gonna stay.
We're head on.
No, we're not.
We're head on with...
Straight on this side. Keep it close to the channel. We'll go around. There we go.
That ferry looks like he's heading right straight towards us.
Yeah, he's gonna run us over just because he wants to.
See ya, Block. Our sail to Block Island was very long and we hit fog for a good portion. When we finally got there, only private moorings were available for the night, so we decided to go to Montauk the next day and stayed at Gurney Star Island Resort. This place was nice with lots of amenities, but it was very expensive and not sure that I would stay there again. Bye, Montauk. Been good. Nice calm, flat seas. High rain.
Hello, Mommy.
Look how blue. I don't know if you can see this on the video, but the water looks so blue. See you home in a few hours.
You're not ready.